You need to understand that the skills that you need to get out of your job, the skills that you need to work on the job that you really love, that takes an intense focus by you. Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contra Podcast. You're listening to Consan Show, episode number 204. And in this episode, we'll discuss about how do you quit your 9 to 5 job. It's quite hard to quit a 9 to 5 job, right? So, how do you do that? Let's get started. Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contra Podcast. You're listening to Consan Show. Never listen to any advice, guys. That's the advice that I want. These are nothing but you practice, you'll become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start. First thing that I want to tell you guys is quitting a 9 to 5 job, it's not that easy. It is completely risky for sure. Who said quitting a 9 to 5 job is completely easy? No, it's not at all easy. It's completely hard. But what on earth is easy and it's good? So anything that is worth doing in your entire life is completely hard for sure. Know that there are many people who is just telling you it is completely hard. You have more debt. Something like a debt like family debt or your housing mortgage or your student debt. But you need to understand this scenario. Quitting a 9 to 5 job is completely risky and hard. But staying out there and facing the reality of your life, that is harder too. And there is one more thing that you need to understand while you quit your 9 to 5 job, before you quit your 9 to 5 job. Everything that you have done in your life, it is done by you. You have to take 100% responsibility in your life. Everything that is in your life, that situation, that scenario is been created by you. You need to take 100% responsibility of your life. And that is the main thing to quit your 9 to 5 job. You need to understand that the skills that you need to get out of your job, the skills that you need to work on the job that you really love, that takes an intense focus by you. And the next thing is it is not a overnight success that you are expecting, or it's not going to happen overnight for sure. Why is because it takes somewhere around years to complete your debt. It takes somewhere around 5 years or 6 years to clear your student debt or something else. So with that enough money, only by that situation, only after clearing your debt or clearing your mortgage, your family will be free or you will be free by debt, and after that you can do it. But there are people who does that. There are people who can do that, and I have seen them too. They are really focused into one particular thing at a time, and the skill that you always wanted to earn. So every single day you have to work on that, and every single day you have to make 1% of that progress. It's somewhere around 365%. If you just move 1%, if you just learn 1% of new things in your entire life every single day, for 365 days you learn 365 different things. So that intensive focus is what makes you, is what separates you from the crowd, and that is the greatest reason how you can quit your 9 to 5 job. And you need to clearly understand that the life that you always wanted cannot be achieved by earning little money from some or the other company. The worst thing that I can tell you today is the life that you always wanted, the billionaire person that you always imagined you as, the person who drives the expensive car. I know this might sound really horrible. Some people hate expensive things, some people hate luxury things, some people just hate money. But to be true, there's nothing wrong in loving luxury things, in loving expensive things. People hate it because they cannot afford it. Show me one person who lives so luxurious and tries to hate it. Except in some frictional movies, people try to hate it. If you just consume with the limit that you really have, you will never hate it. And all that luxury will make your life a better person, will make you a better person, will live, you'll just live your life as a better person. That is what luxuries are made for. But you can never get that by just paying the bills. That is the thing that you need to understand. By paying the bills, you can never get a dream life that you always wanted to. And the shout out in this episode is for Cashflow 24x7. So that's one of the greatest Instagram page that I have seen. So he has awesome followers, and every person that he follows, every post that he puts, that is completely awesome. And I'm a great fan of that page. I get lots of inspiration quotes, and I'll get lots of information from that particular page. Some of my posts have been inspired by Cashflow 24x7 too. So it's an awesome page, and the hard work the admin puts, that is completely awesome. So we have collabed in one or two posts as of now, but that person, the hard work that he puts, trust me, he works somewhere around 12 hours per day. He works more than me, but I think he will do wonders for sure. A great shout out for Cashflow 24x7, and go check out that page. The links will be over here. Try to follow him, and you will never be disappointed following him. And I'm giving shout out to everyone who just comment on my podcast video episodes. And if you want to be one of that person, you could be the next one who will be featuring in my podcast. And yeah, if you want to be featured, make sure you drop a comment. And thanks a lot for listening to this podcast, and watching this video if you are doing it in YouTube. And I'll meet you guys in my next podcast or in my next video. Until then, see you at the top. It's me signing off. Thank you. Bye bye.